Before this video starts, I want to let you guys know that I'm giving away an Amazon gift card in every single video. So here's how you can be the first person to get it. So all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn post notifications on.
Days because it's quite cold now. It's 12 degrees in the workshop. So here is the demolding stage, and as you can see, the release agent is quite good because like it was popping out. So just teasing you a bit, and myself, because I haven't looked at the parts as well at this stage. And then I just remove the parts, and this is how it comes out of the mold. So this is a perfect piece, so no pinholes, a good surface with the mold you have. So there are still some little bubbles on top, but all these are sanded and then just used with a clear on top. So I removed the flange. So this is a bit more about the box. I'm not a woodworker, but I made this myself. If you want to see some more videos about guys that I follow about woodworking, it's probably Diresta, and I like to make stuff, so check them out. In the description I'll add a link. So here I'm measuring out the center to apply the piece. So I just put 2 bolts through the wooden back, and this is a little secret between you and I. So this is just some tacky tape onto the bolt just to level it a bit up from the backing plate. So this is how I did it. So this is not very professional, but it worked, so I'm quite happy with this.
Yes! It's finally here! Look! My diamond play button! I'm chewing pizza right now. It's kind of rude. But yeah, guys, check it out. My diamond play button finally came. This is absolutely amazing. Let me just get it out of out of the packet. Now, I cannot stress to you how heavy this thing is, but look at it. Yes! This is amazing, guys. I I just can't stress how amazing this is. Look, the play button in the middle is kind of like a diamond effect, and it sticks out a little bit, which what I'm trying to show you there. It is so heavy. I mean, the gold ones are heavy, but I think this one could be almost the same, even though it's a lot smaller. But check this out. It's
symbolises this whole campaign. I'm going to stick it on the back here, so every time you see it, you can look at that and think, yes, I have an impact on what happens in this channel. But an MDF play button in the Colin Furze shed? I don't think so. We need to do something to it so it's more representative of what happens on this channel. You got the silver button for 100,000 subs, gold one for 1 million, diamond one for 10 million, and now I've got this, the made for you button, exclusive to the Colin Furze channel. And it's got all the things that we like on it. We've got pulse jets, we've got fireworks, we've got engines and noise and all sorts of stuff like that. Stainless steel, gears, pistons, little bits and bobs. It's everything this channel is about. We make stuff, it's awesome, it's brilliant. I make it all for you, for your entertainment, for my pleasure, and that's that. Now then, next week is this channel's 10-year